Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.